Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lower trimmer head housing on your string trimmer, depress the two retaining tabs to release the lower housing. Lift the spool out of the housing. You're now ready to prepare the new lower trimmer head housing for installation. Confirm the bump knob is positioned on the spool. Feed the trimmer line through the eyelets as you reposition the spool and knob in the new lower housing. Align the lower housing assembly on the upper housing and spring, then snap it into place.